Today we're going to work on the Grasslands portion of our Biomes flipbook. Just like yesterday when we worked on the taiga page, we're going to define what a grassland is, and we're going to talk about some quick facts that we can add to the second section down here. Okay, now remember these little photograph looking things here are places for you to add pictures. Whatever picture you add, you need to include a caption that gives your reader information about what they can learn by looking at the photo or the picture. Okay, so let's begin by looking at the information about how to define what grasslands are. We need to finish this sentence. And we need to finish this sentence in a way that doesn't copy what the author has written up here. So here's how we're going to do that. We're going to make a T-chart. One side we can label author's words, and we'll use this space to record key words or important vocabulary words that the author uses in her writing. And then over here, we'll use this space to write our own sentence using the vocabulary words, okay? So let's take a look at our sentence here. Okay, this tells us that grassland biomes are wide areas of land filled with low-growing plants such as grass and wildflowers. Okay, so let's look at some important vocabulary words. First, the author tells us that grassland biomes are wide areas of land. So to me, that means they cover a large amount of space. They're filled with low-growing plants. I'm going to write down low-growing plants as another important set of keywords. We also learned that examples of low-growing plants could include grass and wildflowers. Okay, so now my job is to take these keywords and put them into a sentence. So I need to kind of hide this so that I can't see it anymore. It's too tempting to look at what the author said grasslands are. And just focus on my vocabulary words. So grasslands typically cover a wide area. If you visited a grassland, expect to see a lot of low-growing plants. Such as grass and wildflowers. Okay, and that's it. Now, I didn't look at the author's sentence while I wrote my sentence. So my work is different enough that I know for a fact I didn't copy her words. Okay? Now let's talk about how you can use the same strategy to record some quick facts in this box here. This is a page that you can click on to learn more interesting facts about grasslands. Try this strategy on your own. Make yourself a T-chart. On one side, label it author's words. And then on the other side, label it my words. Practice identifying keywords or vocabulary from the text about grasslands, and then put the information into your own words on the other side. Then take what you've written and type it into the box for the quick facts. Don't forget to add pictures with captions to teach your reader something about what you've learned. Another helpful hint. If you look at a picture of either a map or a diagram and then put the information that's in the map or diagram into sentence form, then you completely avoid the risk of copying someone else's words. So feel free to take information that you can infer from looking at this map and add it to either your quick facts or one of the pictures with a caption.